Alright, Flightline Corsair day 2, testing my retract fix. They're still a little bumpy because of the drive chain not being perfectly straight, but we're going to give it a shot, see if they work in the air.
Off.
Alright, slowing her down as I'm getting eaten alive out here. Shit.
Gear up.
Now she moves a lot better. Don't know why, but she needs up trim. I let go of that stick. This baby wants to go down. So let's go slow. See if we're there yet. Yep, I think so. You guys can probably hear the bugs out here today. They're unreal. Oh, the sun went in for a few minutes, which is absolutely fantastic. I test my slow speed out with one setting of takeoff flaps. No real pitch change, which is good. Today's a good day for flaps because of the fact that there's either no wind, oh I'm getting bit, or no wind or a crosswind. That's half throttle. High speed pass. Into a roll. Man. I am getting bit, so I apologize for the if I use foul language. I have to take my hands off the stick and swat away anything. Alright guys, there goes the retracts. Come on man, come down. Come down. Let's see. Do I got gear? Well, it looks like I got gear. Looks like I got gear. So far, the retract fix looks like it has held up, but we'll see if they're locked when I land. I got one setting of flaps in. Oh, I'm getting bit again. All right. Oh man, I am getting bit. So you're balancing the landing with swatting bugs. Holy cow. Throttle cut off, flaps up, just making sure. Look at the flies landing on this plane, unreal. Whew. I don't know why, but they love this plane. Maybe they read the reviews. All right, turning this camera off.